Hello friends, welcome back to Greta's Travels and welcome back to the next episode in the Malaysia travel series. Today we are in Langkawi. We're going to spend the next 3 days of our trip here in Langkawi, and obviously we just had to start with the famous sky bridge. To reach the famous sky bridge, you have to walk through Oriental Village and from there, go up with Langkawi Skycab, the longest free-span mono-cable car in the world. As you go up to Skybridge, you will be able to enjoy stunning views over Langkawi. The famous Langkawi Sky Bridge is 660 meters above sea level at the peak of Gunung Mat Cenang, a mountain completely surrounded by lush green vegetation. Sky Bridge is famous for the incredible engineering and architecture involved in building it. With its 125 meters, it's the longest free-span and curved bridge in the world. One of the most popular activities to do in Langkawi is a mangrove boat tour. Mangroves are shrubs or trees that grow mainly in coastal saline water. They are typical of tropical and equatorial climates and are very important for local ecosystems. During your mangrove boat tour in Langkawi, you will do various stops. Our first stop was actually out at sea for some snorkeling. There were loads of fish, but the visibility wasn't great. After that, we cruised through the actual mangroves, seeing the famous sea eagles of Langkawi as they were fishing and hunting. We also cruised through caves, visiting the famous Bat Cave and local residents like this family of monkeys. We then finished our mangrove boat tour with a fresh fish lunch on a fish farm. We have come to Wells Waterfall and the view is incredible. Wells Waterfall is divided in 2 sections you can visit. To reach the top of Wells Waterfall, you have to hike over 300 steps, but you will then be rewarded with gorgeous views over Langkawi and refreshing pools that you can swim into. The lower section isn't as panoramic, since it's tucked away into the forest, but it's even more scenic, as you'll be just below the actual waterfall. You can swim in gorgeous little freshwater pools, with the powerful waterfall towering above you. We also visited Temurun Waterfall. This waterfall is easier to get to as it's just off the main road and there are no steps involved to reach it. It's another nice spot for a swim, but it's not as impressive. Being an island, one of the best things to do in Langkawi is obviously go to the beach, and we are now in Pantai Cenang. Pantai Cenang is the most popular and touristy beach in Langkawi. Here you will find plenty of stalls offering water sports like jet ski, paragliding and banana boats, as well as lots of bars, restaurants and in the evening even fire dancing performances. If that doesn't sound like your cup of tea, you can explore around the island for less touristy beaches like Tanjung Rhu Beach. Here you won't find any jet skis, just a few kiosks for food and drinks, a few sunbeds and considerably less people. One of the best things to do in Langkawi is to visit the night market. It changes every day, every night it's in a different location, and tonight we are at Khua Town Night Market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and make sure to come back next week for the final video in the Malaysia series.